What is up, ladies and gentlemen? This is Jack with Building from Zero, and today I want to talk to you guys about Uber and Uber Eats. It's a really good platform to get started doing multiple things at once. We're going to talk about Uber Eats first. Super similar to DoorDash. If you didn't already watch it, I'll put over there somewhere my video for DoorDash, so you can check that out as well. I do highly recommend using both apps at the same time. So firstly, let's get into Uber Eats. Uber Eats is great. It's one of my favorite delivery platforms, and the reason it is one of my favorites is you do not have to sign up for time blocks. Does not matter when. You go out, you turn on Uber, you start getting your deliveries. And it has kind of the same premise. If it's busy, you'll make more money. If it's not busy, you'll make less money. The amount of money per order is a lot different, and it's set up a lot different than is DoorDash. When you're delivering with Uber Eats, the way the map looks, instead of like, oh, here's a bright red area, here's a bright red area, here's a bright red area, like it does over on DoorDash, on Uber Eats, it just darkens that part of the map, right? So the darker the part of the map, the more concentration of orders there are, and the more likely you are to get orders if you go to that area. So that being said, go to the dark spots, wait for orders, make sure the orders meet your minimum requirements. My minimum requirements, I went over on DoorDash, are normally $1 per 1 mile. Depending on where you live, what your market's like, yours may vary. With Uber Eats, I use a little bit different. I don't really want to go into it because it's a little more mathy than it is with DoorDash, but it's not just $1 per mile with Uber Eats because there's a lot more into it, and the amount of money per order is a lot different on Uber Eats as well. The second thing I want to cover in this video is people delivery with Uber. If your car meets the standard requirements, you can also go get it checked out. If it passes the requirements test, you can deliver people. If you are in a bigger city, I would highly recommend doing both, because if you can do both, that is one more thing you can do to make money. When you're using Uber, you can have it turned on to where you get both trip requests and Uber Eats requests. And you can also deliver for merchants and stuff if you meet the requirements, which, that's all in the app. You'd have to check that out. But anyways, it's a great way to have more than one thing going at a time. So if you just have these two apps and your car meets the requirements, you have 3 different things you could be doing to make money. You can be getting orders on DoorDash, you can be getting orders on Uber, and you can be getting trips on Uber. I personally don't like having people in my car, but that's just me. There's a lot of money to be made if you're in a bigger city, if you're in an area where people travel, if you're in an area where there's a lot of nightlife. On weekends, you will absolutely kill it. That being said, at your own discretion. I'm not going to tell you to do either. I'm not going to tell you to do both. These are just suggestions. Next video, I will go over Lyft, and then we will do one for Instacart, and then we'll start getting into some other things. So make sure you hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification icon so you know every time I come out with a new video. I'm going to try to keep them short, sweet, and to the point, get you all the information that you need, and get you out the door so you can be making money instead of listening to me talk. Till then, hope to catch you guys down in the comments. Hope you guys have a great day. And until next time, happy money making.